While our chicken is roasting, our potatoes and garlic have just come out of the water and are ready to be mashed. Before we do that, I'm going to take my green onion, cut off the very bottom, put that to the side. You can either compost that, use it for stock, or you can regrow it. I'm going to slice this into thin slices. I'm going to set that to the side. I'm going to take my potatoes and garlic. I made sure to keep my garlic in the potatoes. And now I'm going to mash. I want to make sure that well, before I do that, I should add my olive oil. The olive oil is going to be taking the place of any dairy that you would use to really bring down that saturated fat. Give it a good mash. I want to make sure that in addition to the potatoes getting mashed, that my garlic cloves are getting mashed as well, because they'll be nice and soft. They'll have infused their flavor into all of the potatoes. I'm going to give them all a good smash. I happen to have a potato masher. If you don't have one, you can absolutely just use a fork. Exactly the same process. I like my mashed potatoes to be not fully mashed, but I am going to mash them a little bit more. Alright, they're about halfway mashed. I'm going to add any last olive oil that I have, my black pepper, very fun, very messy. Sadly, my larger bowls are currently in the dishwasher. I'm going to use my fork for this last bit here. Making sure that I got all of my garlic nice and smashed. Alright, next I'm going to add my green onions. And stir those in to combine. But I could use a little bit more black pepper too. Awesome. That was a little messy. But our potatoes are ready to be covered for dinner time.